It's a 1.9 Audi A3. It's 08, an old one. I just wanted for a run around car for me, but being a 3-door, kind of really don't want it, but it's rough as fuck. Paint shocking and all. Nice little run around car. Didn't cost fucking anything really. My plan, I took the battery off last night, got it charged. I want to get it off the truck on the lift. I just want to pull the front. I think I could probably save the whole bumper if I wanted to. I was thinking about just hammering this out and fixing the bonnet and just getting the headlight and stuff for it. But if I have to paint some stuff, I'm gonna do the whole fucking car and get it looking nice. Radiator's bust, there's no coolant in it. I don't know what that front cooler is, must be aircon probably. It's definitely bust looking at it. And I just want to get it on the lift and get it stripped to see what I need. I had that strip there. The radiator is good, it's not even twisted. It was out, this snapped here, this pipe, and that's why it leaked all its coolant out of the reservoir. The intercooler is still good, but it's a bit warped. You can see that. The airbox is broke. Everything else is fairly good in the car, so I'm gonna just ring around thinking I get one bit of colour. I don't have much money to spare to make a bit of profit on this car, so I want a bonnet, wing. I'll buy the whole bumper if I need to, but I can fix this easy enough. It's just all scratched that side. I need a grill obviously, but that's fairly damaged there. But other than that, I could fix that, but I'll buy it if I can get it in colour. Oh, I didn't see that dent there. I'll be painting the car anyway, I think. So we'll just see if I can get a wing, I'll get a wing. If not, but nice to have the whole front the same colour. And then if I have to, I just have to paint the back. Let's see, is that it? Right, I'm gonna leave that there, have a quick ring around. A few other parts to get as well.